Students, welcome once again to the Aggarwal Academy of Education. In this video, we are going to discuss here with ICSE class 9th maths. Book is Understanding ICSE Mathematics by Professor M.L. Aggarwal, and publishing company is Aggarwal Publishing Company. राइट अब तक बच्चों जो हमारी एक्सरसाइज 2.1 है उसके आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 तक वीडियोस देख चुके हैं कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट की। ये आपने पिछले वीडियोस में देखा है। ये सारा फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने दिखाया था और सेकंड वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर विद द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। सो सोल्यूशन इसका हम करेंगे। अब सोल्यूशन, अ सम ऑफ रुपीज़ 9600 इज इन्वेस्टेड फॉर 3 years at 10% per annum at compound interest. So principal is P is here 9600, T is 3 years, R is 10% per annum. What is sum due at the end of the first year? What is the sum due at the end of second year? Find the compound interest earned in 2 years. Find the difference between answers in first and second, and find the interest on this sum for 1 year. Hence write down compound interest for the third year. So here we are given P is equal to rupees 9600, T is equal to rupees 3 years, and R is equal to 10% per annum. Right? तो फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या है कि we have to find out what is the sum due at the end of the first year. So sum due at the end of first year, that would be amount का फार्मूला मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है, P1 प्लस R upon 100 raised to power T. So this would equal to 9600, 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to power T. So we have to find out sum due at the end of the first year. So we will take this time as 1 year. So students, ये बन गया 10 plus 1 11, 9600 into 11 upon 10. So this would come out to be rupees 1100, 11 6 ja 66, 11 9 ja 99 plus 6 105. This is our answer of first part. So in the similar way second में उसने बोला है what is the sum due at the end of the second year. So sum due at the end of second year, this would also come out to be amount, or this would be equal to सॉरी यहाँ पे हम पहले फर्स्ट ईयर का ले लेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर। हमें प्रिंसिपल चाहिए ना पहले इसके लिए, सेकेंड ईयर के लिए, तो दैट प्रिंसिपल वुड बी इक्वल टू दिस, इक्वल टू P प्रिंसिपल फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर। तो ये प्रिंसिपल क्या बन जाएगा ऊपर, ये रुपीज, therefore sum due at the end of second year, A would be फार्मूला वुड बी सेम 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 रेज टू पावर t इक्वल टू p हमारा इस बार बन गया है ये 10 5 6 0 1 प्लस r सिमिलर रहेगी सेकेंड ईयर के लिए। फर्स्ट ईयर का यहाँ पे आ गया, हमने अमाउंट ले लिया है सारा ये। तो अब क्या बचा, ये सेकेंड ईयर, यहाँ पे 1 ही रहेगा, तो आपने इसको वैसे ही करना है। तो ये बन गया 10 5 6 0 इंटू 11 अपॉन 10। सो इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 11 6 जा 66, 11 5 जा 55, प्लस 1 61 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, 11 1 जा 11। सो दिस इज राइट। थर्ड में पूछ रहा है फाइंड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट earned in 2 years, right? So part third is CI earned in 2 years. This would be equal to total amount minus P. टोटल अमाउंट हमारे पास कितना बना 2 साल का, ये ₹11616। पी कितना था हमारा, जो इनिशियल पी था ये ₹9600। दिस वुड कम आउट टू बी 16 and 116 minus 96 is 20. So this is our sum of our part third answer, right? So इसी को मैं थोड़ा रब करूँगा बच्चों। चलो ये आपने याद रखना है कि फर्स्ट ईयर में कितना, इसके लिए फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आंसर्स इन सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट। तो इसको जो है फोर्थ को मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ, ताकि हमारा जो है प्रॉब्लम ना आए। अगर मैं रब कर दूँगा तो ये आ गया पार्ट 4। तो फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आंसर इन सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट। सेकंड का आंसर क्या है, ये। फर्स्ट का है ये। सो रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंस ₹11,616 माइनस रुपीज़ ये 10,560। सो ये कितना बन गया 6, 11 में 6 गया 5 0 एंड 1 का 1। अब ये डिफरेंस आ गया। फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट ऑन दिस सम फॉर 1 ईयर। सो नाउ पी क्या बन गया है अब, ₹1056। आर क्या है, सेम है 10%, एंड टी उसने बोला है 1 ईयर के लिए निकालना है। देयरफॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट वुड बी पी ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 रेज टू पावर t माइनस 1, राइट। बस बच्चों, जिसको ये फार्मूला इम्प्लीमेंट करने आ गए इस चैप्टर में, वो उसके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। राइट, तो ये बन गया, इससे ये कट गया, 10 1 जा 10 प्लस 1 11, 1056 11 अपॉन 10 माइनस 1 रह गए। सो 1056 इंटू 10, ये 1 10 1 जा 10, 11 माइनस 10 1 अपॉन 10। तो ये बन गया 1056 अपॉन 10, राइट। तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा, rupees 105.6. This is answer of our part third. Right students? So अब मैं इसको जो है रब करूँगा, हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है पार्ट थर्ड की। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट हमने थर्ड ईयर के लिए फाइंड करना है ना, तो इसके लिए हमें इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है और ना ही ज़रूरत है हमें इस पोर्शन की। Now students, we will start part fifth of it. Hence write down the compound interest for the third year. Right? अब हमें इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है तो हमें पहले चाहिए प्रिंसिपल। तो प्रिंसिपल क्या रहेगा हमारा? प्रिंसिपल वुड बी अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ सेकेंड ईयर। अमाउंट at the end of second year. A is equal to, would be equal to the P for the third year, and this P is rupees 11,616। देखो अब इसमें हमारा P क्या बन गया? रुपीज़ 11,616। R इज़ 10% पर एनम, R सेम रहेगा। और टाइम, क्योंकि हम 2 साल का यहाँ पे सब कुछ निकाल चुके हैं, अमाउंट प्लस अमाउंट निकाल चुके हैं, तो ये हमारा जो है अब थर्ड ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल बन गया। सो दिस इज़ टाइम, टाइम जो है 3 - 2, 1 ईयर बचा यहाँ पे रिमेन, राइट। देयरफॉर CI कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर थर्ड ईयर, ये किसका होगा? फार्मूला वही हमने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फार्मूला लगा देना बच्चों, 1 + R/100 raised to power t -1। So this would be equal to 11,616 1 + 10/100 raised to power 1 - 1। ये अगेन जो पिछले उसमें किया था हमने वैसे ही हो जाएगा। तो 11,616 11/10 -1 बच गया ये। सो 11,616 11 - 10/10 बच गया। 11 - 10 1, 11,616 × 1/10, तो ये कितना आ गया आंसर? रुपीज़, एक छोड़ के डेसिमल लग जाएगा पीछे से, 11,661.63। तो बच्चों ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, राइट। नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, तो इसका सॉल्यूशन, द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन ए सर्टेन सम ऑफ मनी for 2 years is 10% per annum is this. Find the amount due and the compound interest on this of money at same rate after 3 years, interest being reckoned annually। इंटरेस्ट एनुअली लग रहा है, तो हम पहले इसमें क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से जो हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट दिया है, रेट दिया है, टाइम दिया, यहाँ से हम पहले P निकालेंगे, राइट। दैट P वुड बी, जो P आएगा उसको उसने फिर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पे ही हैज़ गिवन फॉर 3 years, राइट। सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 1,600, T is for 2 years and R is 10%। per annum. So therefore P would be, as formula as you know, simple interest into 100 upon R into T. 1600 into 100 upon R is 10 into 2. 2 8 so this has come out to be rupees 8,000. Now this 8,000 has been given at the rate of 10% for 3 years on compound interest. Interest is being reckoned annually. Annually interest लग रहा है. So therefore P equal to rupees 8,000. Now R is 10% per annum and T is 3 years. So therefore amount would be P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. P is 8,000. 1 plus 10 upon 100. 8,000 into 11 upon 10 raised to power 3. बच्चों मैंने आपको मैजिक टेबल बताया था, उस मैजिक टेबल के मुताबिक ये कितना बन गया. आप 11 11 जा 121, 121 11 जा 1331, 10 into 10 into 10,000 बन गया. ये 8,000 into 1331 upon 30 got cancelled with this. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24 plus 2 6, 8 1 ja 8 plus 2 10. So this amount has come out to be 10,648. So we have to find out compound interest. Compound interest का formula amount minus P. Rupees 10,648 minus 8 rupees 8,000. So this would come out to be 10 minus 8 2 648. This is our answer of question number 14. Right. Now I am going to rub this to make space for question number 15. What is question number 15? Vikram borrowed rupees 20,000 from a bank. That money that is borrowed is principal P from a bank at rate R 10% per annum. Simple interest. He lent it to his friend Venkat at the same rate. Same rate means at the rate of 10%, but compounded annually. Find his gain after 2.5 years. Right, students? So Vikram borrowed rupees 20,000. Make a picture of it, the sum in your mind. 20,000 were borrowed, 10% simple interest. Here it is simple interest. He lent, but he lent the same money to his friend Venkat at the same rate. But now interest has become compound interest. Find his gain after 2 years. So first we will have to find out the simple interest. So here P is rupees 20,000. R equal to 10% per annum, and time is again the same, 2.5 years. Right? 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 years. So therefore simple interest would be PRT upon 100. As you know, 20,000 multiplied 10, 5 upon 2, 100 into so 2 5 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 2 ja rupees 5,000. Right? So Now he gave this money to on the rate of compound interest. So we will find its compound interest. Now compound interest formula would be P1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T minus 1. So here time is 2.5 years. So first we will find out whenever you got time in fraction, जब आपको फ्रैक्शन में टाइम मिले तो जो कंप्लीट राउंड फिगर है, राउंड टाइम है 2 years 3 years 1 year, हम उसका पहले कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे. देन वी विल add it with amount principal to make it amount at the end of 2 years. That will be the principal for the next half year, right? So 20,000 1 plus 2 upon 10 upon 100 raised to power 2 minus 1, right? 2 complete years. So this would come out to be 20,000 into 10 1 10 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 minus 1. This would come out to be 20,000 into 121 upon 100 minus 1, right? So 100 1 100, this would come out to be 20,000 into 121 minus 100, 21 upon 100. This would come out to be rupees 21 to 42, 4,200, right? So here we will find out the amount. Therefore amount at the end of 2 years would be P plus CI. P is 20,000, CI has come out to be rupees 4,200. This would come out to be 24,200. Alright students, so now this amount at the end of second year would become P for the next हाफ ईयर मीन्स 6 months. ये कितना निकाला हमने, रुपीज़ 24,200. अब हमारे पास ये आ गया है प्रिंसिपल नेक्स्ट हाफ ईयर के लिए, राइट? तो इसको स्पेस बनाने के लिए या हम चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज पे. So here principal has now become rupees 24,200. R is 10% again. Time is 6 months or half year, right? 6 upon 12 or half year. Now we will find out the simple interest. PRT upon 100. P is 21 upon 2 upon 100. 1 to 1, this would come out to rupees 1210, right? Therefore total CI for 2.5 years, rupees 4200 plus rupees 1210. So this would become rupees 5410. So this has come, CI has come out with this, and therefore difference between CI and SI, rupees 545410 minus rupees 5000. This is rupees 410. So therefore gain in SI, gain in CI would be rupees 410. So find his gain after 2.5 years. So students, this is the gain, rupees 410. Now we are going to start here with question number 16. Solution to question 16. A man borrows rupees 6,000 at 5% compound interest. If he repays 1,200 at the end of each year, find the amount outstanding at the beginning of the third year. So here this is P, this is R. If he repays 1,200 out of total interest, he repays 1,200 at the end of each year. So this is compound interest for each year, right? Or part of compound interest paid at the end of each year. So we have to find out the amount outstanding at the beginning of the third year. So here बच्चों we will write what we are given. P equal to rupees 6,000. R is equal to 5%. So time is total 3 years, but we have to calculate each year wise. So there we will take time equal to 1 year, right? So therefore amount at the end of first year would be P1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T, right? So this 6,000, 1 plus rate is 5% per annum, 1. This would become 5 and 5, 520. So this would become 6,000 into 21 upon 20, 300. So this will 21 3 6,300, right? So out of this he has paid rupees 1,200 at the end of first year. Repaid end of first year is equal to rupees 12. अब इसमें से उसने 1200 पे कर दिया, यहाँ पे लिख दो अमाउंट कर देना, right? So therefore remaining at the end of first year would be rupees 6300 minus rupees 1200 equal to rupees 5100, right? Now this amount is also principal, therefore P at the beginning, principal outstanding of the second year would be rupees 500, right? So in the same way we have calculate amount at the end of the second year would be equal to P1 plus R upon, so this P 5100 1 plus 5 upon 100, so again 5100 into 21 upon 20, cut down to 55, so this would come out to be 21 5 ja 105, 21 5 ja 105, 55 and 21 2 ja 42 plus 12 5355, right? Now we have to find the amount outstanding at the beginning of the third year. So amount paid at the end of second year is rupees 1200, each ईयर में वो 1200 पे करता जा रहा है. So amount, remaining amount at the end of second year would be rupees 5355 minus rupees 1200 rupees 400. So this amount is outstanding at the beginning of the third year, right? Therefore amount outstanding at the beginning of third year would be rupees 4100. Right, students, so this was your question number 16. Now I will rub it to make space for question number 17. Solution to question number 17. Here, students, Mr. Dubey borrows anything that is borrow is principal, borrows rupees 1 lakh from State Bank of India at 11% per annum. This is our compounded interest. He repays rupees 41,000 at the end of the first year and this one at the end of second year. Find the amount. Just like above question, here amount was same at the end of each year, here it is different, right? So we are going to write here with P equal to rupees 1 lakh R is equal to 11% per annum. Question is just like question number 16. Amount repaid is different here. T is equal to 1 year. So A at the amount or A at the end of first year would be again P1 upon R 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. 1 2 3 4 5 1 plus 11 upon, so 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 upon 100, and 100 100 plus 11 111. So this would come out to be rupees 111,000. So this is the amount at the end of first year. Now amount paid at the end of first year is what? Rupees 41,000. Rupees 41,000. Therefore, amount remaining at the end of first year, this would be equal to principal at the beginning of the second year. तो ये किसके बराबर आ जाएगा? तो इसमें से हमने रुपीज़ 1,111,000 माइनस रुपीज़ 41,000. So this 30,303 111 में से 41 माइनस कर दीजिए, कितना बचा? 70. So this would come out to be rupees 70,000. तो यानी प्रिंसिपल एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेकेंड ईयर दिस वन, राइट. अमाउंट रिमेनिंग एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर दिस, दोनों सेम है. सो देयरफॉर अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ सेकेंड ईयर. अब हम इसको सीधा निकाल लेंगे, वही फार्मूला P1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 रेज़्ड टू पावर 1. सो P क्या है? ये 70,000. 1 रेट वही रहेगा 11 अपॉन, दिस वुड कम आउट टू 70,000 इंटू 111 अपॉन 100. सो ये बन गया रुपीज़ 777,000. Right. So this is the amount at the end of second year, right, out of which he has paid this one amount paid at the सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में कितना पे कर दिया उसने? Therefore, amount outstanding at the third year, rupees 77700 minus rupees 47700, सीधा ये 30,000 would be remain. So this was question number 17, students. Now we will move on to the next page. That is question number 18. So in this question, what is he saying? Jaya borrowed rupees. What is that? Is borrowed is principal. Borrowed rupees 50,000 for 2 years. The rate of interest for 2 successive years are 12 and 15%. Right? She repays the rupees 33,000 at the end of first year. Find the amount she must pay at the end of second year to clear her debt. Right? So it is just like question number 17 with some changes in the rate of interest. Rate of interest is different for 2 successive years. Right? So no need to panic. P equal to rupees 50,000. T is 2 years. R, as she has paid this one at the end of first year, so we will calculate it year wise. So R for the first year is 12%. So therefore amount at the end of first year equal to P at the beginning of second year. This would be equal to A P plus this would be equal to P1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. So P is 50,000, R is 12%, year is 1. So this would come out to be 100 plus 12, 112. 50,000 into 1112 upon 100. 0, 0. Right? These two zeros. 1, 1, 2, 5 ja, 5, 2 ja, 10, 0. 11, 5 ja, 55 plus 1. 56. 55 plus 1, 56. So this would come out to be rupees 56,000. So this is principal. This is amount at the end of first year and principal at the beginning of second year. Therefore amount amount paid at the end of first year equal to rupees 33,000. Therefore amount outstanding at the end of first year would be rupees 50. Out of 56,000 she has paid rupees 33,000. Rupees 6 minus 3, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Right? So therefore amount at the end of second year कितना रह जाएगा वही P तो 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 रेज टू पावर t। और सेकेंड ईयर के लिए रेट क्या है? रेट फॉर सेकेंड ईयर इज 15%। p is 23,000, 1 plus 15। So this would come out to be 20 to 30 multiplied 115. This would come out to be 26450. So she must pay, तो यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे therefore she must pay rupees, this one 26450 at the end of second year to clear her debt। तो कहने का मतलब है कि अगर वो 26,450 रुपये पे कर देगी तो उसका जो कर्ज है क्लियर हो जाएगा, डेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा, राइट, जो कि उसने 50,000 लिया था। So students, all question of your exercise 2.1 are solved now. Thanks for watching the video. Please do your homework, your questions, and revise them. This revision will help you in next exercise, that is exercise 2.2. Right, we will discuss that exercise in the next video. Right, till then it's goodbye. If you have liked this video, understood well, please make more and more likes and shares, subscriptions. Your subscriptions, likes, shares are energy for us. Thank you. It's goodbye now.